Have you ever wondered why some people seem unstoppable, while others give up before they even begin? The difference isn't just talent, luck, or even hard work. It's something deeper. It's faith. Not the kind of faith that only belongs in a church or temple, but the kind of faith that fuels belief in yourself. The kind that convinces your mind that your dreams are already within your reach. Faith acts like the chief chemist of your thoughts. When your belief and your vision collide, they send a powerful message to your subconscious mind. That subconscious mind, in turn, transforms your desire into a force so strong that it communicates with something greater, what many call infinite intelligence. It's the same principle behind prayer, the same energy that turns a thought into reality. The truth is, emotions are the fuel that charge our thoughts. Among all emotions, three stand at the top: faith, love, and sex. Faith and love connect us to something spiritual, while sex is rooted in the physical. But when the three combine, the human mind opens up a direct line of communication with the universe. Ideas flow, opportunities appear, and reality begins to bend in your favor. So the question becomes, how do you actually develop faith if it doesn't come naturally? The answer is simple but not easy. Faith can be built through repetition, through telling your subconscious mind again and again what you desire until it believes it's real. This is called autosuggestion. Think about it. Every time you affirm your goals, every time you remind yourself of the life you want, you're planting a seed. The more you repeat it, the more the subconscious accepts it as truth, and then it begins working silently to bring it into existence. You're reading this, or maybe listening to this, because you want to learn how to turn desire into money, success, or achievement. That begins with teaching your subconscious to believe. Convince your inner mind that what you want is already yours, and it will hand you back the plans, the opportunities, and the drive to get it. But here's the catch. If you keep feeding your subconscious negative beliefs, it will also accept those. A man exposed to crime doesn't immediately turn into a criminal. At first he rejects it, but stay around it long enough and soon he tolerates it. Stay longer and eventually he embraces it. In the same way, your subconscious will absorb any thought, good or bad, if repeated often enough. That's why it's dangerous to let fear, doubt, or failure dominate your mind. Your subconscious doesn't filter right from wrong. It just acts on whatever emotion you feed it. Mix your thoughts with faith, love, or passion, and they explode into action. Mix them with fear, hate, or doubt, and they still come alive, but in destructive ways. This is why so many people feel cursed with bad luck. They unknowingly feed their subconscious negative emotions, and life gives them exactly what they've been programming themselves to expect. But here's the breakthrough. You can trick your subconscious. Act as if you already own what you desire. Live with the confidence of someone who already has the wealth, the success, the life you dream of. The subconscious doesn't know the difference. It simply accepts the emotion and works to make it real. Faith is not built by reading about it. Faith grows when you practice it, when you affirm it, when you deliberately choose to keep positive emotions in charge of your mind. Just as someone can sink into crime by repeated exposure, you can rise into belief by deliberately telling your subconscious, "I have faith, I trust, I believe." Over time, your mind takes on the nature of the thoughts and emotions that dominate it. Fill it with fear and doubt, and it will suffocate your dreams. Fill it with belief and courage, and it becomes unstoppable. Faith is not just hope. It is a state of mind, created through repetition, strengthened by emotion, and proven by action. And once you learn how to master it, nothing, absolutely nothing, can keep you from transforming desire into reality.